So we have our Seamoss here that was boiled like 2 days ago, a whole big pot. And this is for 4 persons. We're going to store it in the refrigerator in the mason jar. Each person will have theirs labeled, and they will take a tablespoon, or 2 once a day. This, I cooked it with cinnamon powder and cinnamon sticks to get rid of the fishy smell and taste of the Seamoss. And then I'm adding ginger powder, cinnamon powder, clove to preserve it, hibiscus powder, great for your skin, and moringa powder. Now, moringa powder is a multivitamin. It's that green one right here, moringa powder. And then you got ginger powder, and then you got hibiscus powder, some more cinnamon powder, and clove powder. Clove is analgesic. It helps with pain. It helps to preserve it. And ginger helps your blood flow well, help to prevent blood clots. Moringa powder is a multivitamin. And the hibiscus powder helps to balance your blood pressure. Cinnamon powder also regulate your blood sugar. Ginger powder I talked about. All right, so in their Seamoss, they will have loads of goodness that they'll be taking in. One person likes theirs to be fruity, so we're gonna put fruits in it as well. And this stays in the fridge. It lasts them a whole month, right? And if they don't finish it before that, I'm gonna make a smoothie for myself, so I'm putting a lot of berries in mine. All right, so here goes. I'm gonna blend and put them in their bottles and store in the refrigerator. So we're going to blend the entire batch of Seamoss. And then after we blend it, then we can separate it into individual batches. So, see that? It's all jelly-like. There is some flaxseed in here as well. Flaxseed is great for your joints and also help to balance our hormones. So look, this 2000 ml blender is already full, and I still have half a pot left. So we're gonna blend this. This is just boiled with water. All right. Pulse it first, slow. So this is all done blending. Now, because I'm doing different flavored batches, we're gonna pour in here. See, it's so thick. So that for the person who wanted just regular cinnamon and a little bit of honey. So that's the first batch I'm making, a little bit of honey. They'll just put it in their mouth. They don't mind doing it like that. So now I'm gonna blend it in the smaller blender. I need to add their pile of remember the moringa powder, ginger, and all that good stuff. So one pile goes in here for one person. That ensures they get all their nourishment, it doesn't go in the other batches. We pat back on our base. And then blend this. as long as you want. Then I'm going to pour it in here. It may not fill the mason jar. And then when you put it in the fridge to store, it's gonna set again. So I'm gonna get a spoon and scrape this all out for that person so they get theirs. Then I'll do this with the other batch. It's gonna be the same thing. And then when I'm doing the fruit batch, I'll show you that one. Okay, so we're all done with 2 of the regular batches. Now we're going to do the fruity one. So see, this is the rest of Seamoss. So I got another 2,000 mils out of this one pot that I did. It's like a gallon pot. So I'm going to blend this down a bit, and then I'll add the fruit and the powders like I did to the previous batch. But because it's so full, I'm gonna blend it down a bit first, okay? So now we're gonna add 2 servings because this is a whole 2,000 mils. And we're gonna add our fruits. Blend that all up, and then I'm gonna bottle it up. I'll show you when I'm done. All right, get all that fruit in. Ooh, it's loaded. So all done. So the other 2. I'm gonna pour in half off of that. And then the rest from the bigger blender. I'm not gonna put it in the small one again because they're gonna be adding it to smoothie. Oops, I made a mess. So you fill your mason jars and you store them in the fridge. And you take your daily dose. And it doesn't hurt if you want to drink a half bottle, you know, or the whole bottle. And do it once a week. Say if you do a half a bottle once a week, something like that. There you go. All right, thank you for subscribing, share, like, and continue to follow me for more ways to stay healthy. This is getting in all your minerals and your vitamins, also lubricating your joints. All right, so that's great for you. Love you all.